Hello everyone, Lina here. You know what? We've already created a habit tracker with a growing tree and a mood tracker that keeps us in check. But it hit me. I've never shown you how to track something we all love. Sleep. If we're going to add sleep for a third of our lives, we might as well track it. Let's make it together in the next 5 minutes on Google Sheets. It's simple, but we include a drop-down menu for you to select your sleep duration, color-coded indicators to show the quality of your sleep, and a live chart to track your sleep patterns. So now, let's get started. First, let's set up the basics. Resize the columns and rows to fit your design. Next, merge two cells and label them date. Below that, select cells and merge them horizontally, then label this row hours. Below hours, we'll add bedtime. Then, to generate this, we use a sequence function. The formula looks like this. So sequence, you enter the number of rows and then the number of columns and the start. Okay, it will look like that, but I want to generate this for February, so I will change the number of columns 28. Now we're gonna add the title Sleep Tracker. Merge the cells above to create a space for this title and type in Sleep Tracker. Select all the necessary cells and add borders to give our tracker a neat and organized look. Next, let's create a drop-down menu for different sleep hours. Select all necessary cells and then you choose Insert to drop-down. Here, I will add 10 options, represent 10 different sleep durations. For better visualization, we use color coding. Red for 1 to 4 hours represent lack of sleep. Yellow for 5, 6, 9, and 10 hours. Green for 7 and 8 hours, the ideal sleep duration. Now select Advanced Options and choose Plain Text. Here now you can double-click on the cells to select the sleep duration. Now let's visualize our sleep patterns using a live chart. First, I will merge some cells to create space for our live chart. We will use the SPARKLINE function. The formula will be provided in the description below, so you can copy it into your sheet and then we just need to adjust the data range. It is yellow here, you can see, and choose the data range of your own sheet. You can also change the color to your favorite color by changing the color code here. And you can also change the line width. My month is 28th day, so the xmax must be 28. So the xmax, you're gonna write the numbers of the days in that month. Now finally, we just need to customize our sheets. I will clean up the sheets by selecting Show and unchecking Grid Lines for cleaner look. We also add a light purple background to decorate our table. And there you have it, a beautiful and functional sleep tracker in Google Sheets. Customizes to fit your style and keep track of your sleep patterns. But before we wrap up, I have something exciting to share with you. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way to track your habits, check out my habit tracker, Race Alpacas. As you progress with your habits, you can watch your alpaca grow. It's a delightful and motivating way to stay on top of your goals. You can get your own for just around $3, and when you get bundle of 3 spreadsheets, just for around $6, and you can receive a free cherry blossom habit tracker. I put the link in the description below. Thank you for watching my video again, and have a nice day.